Guys, I'm headed to my father's. Gonna be working on the bike. Gotta do a lot of work to the, gotta do some jetting. Gotta take the carbs off, which is gonna be a pain in the butt. Basically, the reason for me tearing it down again is I bought K&N pod filters, which are add a lot more air and stuff. So I'm gonna have to basically rejet the system, get all the carbs in sync. Lot of work, so we'll see how that goes. So stay tuned and we'll see how this goes. So this is my first time rebuilding carbs, and I did come into one problem, which I did figure out on my own, but I didn't realize that the main jet here, it actually slides in and out from in here. So I had to take this apart and push that in a little bit there so I could screw on this main jet. But I'll come back to it and I'll show you some more. So the one thing that was pretty hard to identify in the diagram is this little piece here. This is the needle jet. My carb had the little orange grommet actually on the top, but I believe it's supposed to be on the bottom. So I'm gonna give that a try and see what that does, and hopefully it's right. Thanks.
So after rejetting my carbs, we came to the conclusion that that actually wasn't the issue. The issue at hand is that I have some serious bog that comes on after about 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs. Played for you a couple times there is the sound that it's making, and the loss of RPMs and the serious bog that it's getting. So you can tell, like, once I get up to about 3,000 or 4,000 RPMs, it's just bogging extremely hard. I think it might be timing. It could be the ignition coils not having proper spark. Even I read an exhaust leak of some sort, or even float height. So we're gonna get to the bottom of that, and I'll make a video when everything's back up and running. Thanks for watching.